In today's AI world, everyone creating app and website by using AI. Before starting this video, the app which we are going to create in this video, that is AI Habit. That is live on the Play Store. Please go and check out. If you have any feedback or suggestion, let me know in the comment box. So today we will create our own Android app by using the Cursor AI and the Android Studio. We will use the Cursor AI to generate the code for our app, and we will use the Android Studio to set up the app and test the app. We will also use the ChatGPT to prepare our initial app requirement. So I given this prompt AI habit dot simple habit tracker app, Android app build with the Cursor AI, give me the requirement. So today we will build the habit tracker app. So ChatGPT generated the requirement for our app. In detail, it generated the requirement like the key features, habit management, AI suggestions, dot based progress UI, tech stack recommendations for the Cursor AI use, UI pages. We will simply copy this Cursor AI prompt example. We will copy this and we will give this prompt to the Cursor AI. So first I will download the Cursor AI. I already downloaded the Cursor AI for the Windows. Now it is a free software. Now I also downloaded the Android Studio. So first I will open the Android Studio to set up the app. Here click on the new project. I will select the empty activity. Next, we will give the app name from here. Same app name we will give. AI habit tracker, simple habit tracker. So I given the app name this. I click on the finish. It will take a few seconds to set up the project. So our project setup is done. Now I will open the Cursor AI, open project, and I will select the project from here. So this is our project folder. I will copy from here and open the Cursor AI. I will give here, enter, and this is our project. So I will select this project, the AI habit dot simple habit tracker, select folder. It will open the project in our Cursor AI. Here I will give the folder of our app, that is AI habit dot simple habit tracker. Here I will type @code, then enter, then run. So it will scan all the code files inside this folder, which is the default project files, to understand the default settings. So it's read one by one all the files. So it's started adding the core functionalities. I will accept this. I will accept again. So we no need to do any codings. It automatically saving the making the changes, and we are saving by accepting this code changes. It is automatically creating the default habit tracker app. We can also accept all the changes together at the end also by clicking on the accept all. If it asks for the run, then click on the run button. So it automatically build the grindles. So it generated all the codes. We can accept all the codes together by clicking on the accept all. If we want to review all the codes, we can review these all the files created by the Cursor AI. I will copy the requirement from here. So we created the basic apps. Now I will copy the requirement from here and again go to the Cursor AI. I will paste the requirement here and click on the run.
One eternity later.
So finally Cursor AI generated all the codes. So now we can test the app. Clicking on the Android, I open the Android Studio. First I will click on the sync now. It will take a few seconds to sync our app. It is showing some error. We will copy this error and give it to the Cursor AI. So Cursor AI will automatically solve this error and paste here. So it's reading all the files one by one and it is saying to run this command. Click on the run, it automatically runs.
A few moments later.
It is giving the solution like we need to use the Android Studio. We are also using the Android Studio, but we are still getting the error. So I will open this module app and try again. First I will try this. So error is this. I will copy this error again. Now give it to the cursor AI. Click on this again. Now we will again try. It built successfully. We can see all the files here, like all the files we have, which is created by the cursor AI. We can see all the files here, all the UI files, data files, screen, theme. So all these files are generated by the cursor AI. Now we will test our apps by clicking on this run app. It will take a few seconds to build the app. So while building the app, we are getting some error. So I will copy this error from here and I will give this error to the cursor AI. Cursor AI will analyze this error and fix this error automatically. So it started fixing the error. I simply accept the changes. Now we will try again to build the app. We have total 27 error here. We will copy all the errors one by one. So total we have 27 errors. So we can copy error one by one and resolve through the cursor AI, or I can copy all the error together from here. I will copy simply all the error, Control C, and then give it to the cursor AI, all the together. And now cursor AI will analyze all the error together and then resolve all the error. It is asking you we need to automatically fix this error or not. So I will click on the yes. So it automatically fixed all the errors.
A few moments later.
So app is launching on our virtual device. I will maximize this window. So our app is opening. So now we will test our app. So finally our app is ready. Now our app is opening. From here we can add the habit tracker, new habit. I will add the running. If we want to give the description, then we can give the description. Description is optional. I will select the color for this habit and click on the save. So this is showing on the habit tracker. From here we can click on the complete. We can mark the complete. So this complete checkbox is not working. So I will ask the cursor AI to fix this issue. So habit complete is not working. So cursor AI is checking on this issue. So cursor AI fixed the error. So now I will rebuild the app. I will close this virtual device and stop the virtual device. We will again rebuild the app. It's launching on the device. So still this checkbox is not working. So I again asked the cursor AI to make this to fix this error. So error is fixed. So again we will rebuild our app. We will close the virtual device, stop the virtual device, and we will rebuild the app. So we will try again. So this time checkbox is working. From here we can check the stats, like how many tasks are complete, how many habits are active. These are the complete statistics of our habits. So here we are tracking all our habits. If we need any suggestion from AI, we will click here. Like AI can suggest like the morning meditations, daily readings, evening walk. These are the suggested by the AI, and also define the levels of these habits like easy, medium. We can directly from here we can add these habits by clicking on this. So now the morning meditations start your day with the 10 minutes of meaningful meditations.
One eternity later.
After a lot of back and forth with the cursor AI, finally we created the final version of our app. So this is our final app. We will test this app. So this is the final version of our app. From here we can add the habit. Select the category like health. From AI also we can generate the habit. I will take the suggestion from the AI. take the stairs instead of elevator. Okay, then we'll add this habit. So we added this habit. I will click on this complete, so it mark completed. Same way we can add the multiple habits. In the mindful category, I will take the again suggestion from the AI, then add the habit. We'll add one more habit. In the finance, take the suggestion from the AI, add habit. Once this habit is completed, mark the complete. From here, we can check the statistics of our habits, like how many habits we have, how many we completed today, and average streaks. This is the category breakdown, the streaks leaderboard, and the weekly progress. And if we want to change the any settings, like if we want to import export the habits, we can import export the habits. If we need to clear the data, we can delete the data permanently from these options. There are also multiple options like the notifications and the theme, etc. And we uploaded this app on the Play Store by the name AI Habit. So this is the app names. Now this is our app we uploaded on the Play Stores. So please check out. If you have any suggestion or feedback, let me know in the comment box. And if you need a complete video from requirement to development and deploying the app to the Play Stores, then please comment out AI Make App.